One way to add visual interest to your screencasts is to use animated graphics. I like to use PowerPoint for animation and Pixabay for graphics. Here's an example of how to do that. First, open PowerPoint and choose a template that you like. Or choose Blank Presentation, go to Design, and select the theme. After you have a background that you like, you can insert more slides, and then add graphics to them. Pixabay has a great selection of free graphics that are attribution-free. When you search for the type of picture that you want, Pixabay displays the pictures you can buy at the top of the screen. Below that are all the free pictures. Just choose the picture that you want, click on Free Download, select the file dimensions, and click on Download. The picture automatically goes to your download folder. You may want to save the file to a different folder that has all the files for your screencast. Next, return to PowerPoint and go to Insert, then Pictures. Navigate to the folder where your picture is located. Select the picture and click on Insert. You can then resize and move the picture if you want. To animate the picture, go to Animations, and in the Advanced Animation section, click on Animation Pane. With your picture selected, go to Add Animation and select how you would like your picture to enter the slide. You can then customize your picture's entrance by choosing options from the drop-down menu next to the entrance picture in the animation pane. With the picture still selected on the slide, go back to Add Animation to decide how you want your picture to exit. Again, you can customize your picture's exit through the drop-down menu next to the exit picture. You can preview your animations by clicking on Preview in the Animations ribbon. To make a screencast of your PowerPoint, launch Screencast-O-Matic in your web browser. Return to your slideshow and start it in Presenter View. To do that, click on Slideshow, and in the Monitors section, select Use Presenter View. In the Start Slideshow section, choose From the Beginning. Go to the ellipsis and select Show Presenter View. Move the Screencast-O-Matic frame over the slideshow and adjust the size of the PowerPoint to fit the frame. Click on the right arrow below the frame to advance the slides or activate the animations. Since the right arrow is outside of the Screencast-O-Matic frame, your audience won't see your mouse movements when the video is saved.